let's imagine the future, or let's imagine the kind of future we might be able to live in, and see if we can bring that into being. What constitutes us? Us includes all those Chinese people and all those black people and everyone else. But we haven't extended our concept of us to include the people in the future yet. And so that's what this is about. It's about the idea of extending empathy forward into the future.
I am putting myself to the fullest possible use, which is all I think that any conscious entity can ever hope to do. I'm sure you'll agree there's some truth in what I say. Just a moment.
Welcome to Voice Identification. When you see the red light go on, would you please state the following: your destination, your nationality, and your full name. Surname first, Christian name, and initial.
Let's imagine the future.
The 9000 series is the most reliable computer ever made. No 9000 computer has ever made a mistake or distorted information. We are all, by any practical definition of the words, foolproof and incapable of error.